Good morning, guys. Today is day 7 aboard the beautiful MSC Seashore. It is currently 7:19 a.m. and we are already in port at Costa Maya. So that is it back there. Let me flip you around so that you can see it. So the plan for this morning is to grab some breakfast. We have an excursion at 10:15, so just kind of depending on what time we finish with breakfast, we may, explore a little bit before our excursion. But if we do not have enough time, then we'll most likely do it afterwards. We're going to the ruins today. I do not want to butcher the name of the ruin, so I'll just put it across the screen. And it's like a 4-hour excursion, and then we'll of course do a little bit of shopping. So I will pick the camera back up after breakfast. See you guys in a bit. Looks like we are in port this morning with Celebrity, and I gotta see who else is back there in the back. Good morning. Good morning. It's MSC! OMG! It's the sister ship, MSC Divina. So we have about 20 minutes before our excursion. So we're trying to figure out exactly where to be because the instructions only say on the pier, and apparently on the pier does not really just mean on the pier, because yesterday we were lost and everyone else was too. So we're going to wait it out a little bit and see if someone comes for us, and if not, then we'll start looking around. Okay, so our excursion tickets just says on the pier. It does not have any signs or anything like that telling us where to go. So we kind of just stand right closer to the boat. So finally, about a minute ago, it's about to rain. A guy finally comes and says, because he sees our little stickers, and says, you have to go to the very end of the pier and there'll be a sign. But there's nothing that tells you that. And when you ask certain staff members, they have no idea. So something MSC needs to do better. Alright, so we just got on the shuttle to go to our excursion, but it started pouring raining, so we are soaked. So hopefully it stops raining, because I don't know how you climb the ruins in the rain. So wish us luck.
We start the tour.
Alright, so before we take off, we have to fill out some type of a form with all of our information on it, as well as what our cruise ship is, as well as like our rooms. And then they come around, because it's raining, they're being nice enough to let us be on here first before collecting our actual tickets. So that's what we're waiting for now, because we're all the way in the back and it's a huge coach bus. So we're just waiting.
Name, signature, one more name in the bottom part, and then cabin number, cruise ship line. That's all what we need, okay? nest from fire ants. Okay? So be careful. This is the map of the site. If you want to take pictures just to remember what's the site that you visit. Okay? So we're going through these.
I don't understand.
As well, okay? And the north, south, east, west, okay? So the temple is built for the god of the war. Archaeologists been discovering paintings underneath. Archaeologists study those paintings and they decide. They found stars in alluding to Venus, evening star. So they decide temple are built for Venus. For Venus are the god of the war of this culture, okay? So according with archaeologists, Chakchoben's grounds extend at last more than 15 kilometers square. But nowadays it's just in closed section with 4 square miles and contains some hundred of constructions. Are my small structures underneath. Okay? They are like inside. Okay? And then this is the Mayan world. This is where whole Mayan culture being established around. This is just only a section of a Mexico map, and then other countries. Mexico map, it's little large, okay? This is Gulf of Mexico, Caribbean Sea, Pacific, and then Mayan ground. Yucatan, Quintana Roo, Campeche, Chiapas, Tabasco, Belize, Guatemala, Honduras, Salvador. That's the Mayan ground, okay? We basically are around in here, Chakchoben, okay? So we are not that much far. And then water supply, we have the largest lagoon. The largest lagoon, it has about like 32 miles. The long body of water, okay, well known as Bacalar Lagoon, or the lagoon of the 7 colors as well, okay? So, talking about these 3, thanks to the Mayan legacy in their paintings or model on stucco in their facades of the structures, archaeologists been discovered these 3 are, the fruits are edible, and then cotton, it produces a certain kind of cotton, and then the wood is used to make canoes with, some like more than 11 or 12 meters length, and then even it's acoustic. If you guys bang the tree, sound go for about like half a mile, okay? So, as I said before, fruits are edible, oil, cotton, and some other different things, okay? So, ceiba tree, that's how it called this tree, okay? Let's keep walking. Último conteo aquí es el plant. It starts like. And then finally, it will hug the palm tree, and then one day it will kill. The one are called ficus tree or banyan tree. Banyan tree. We will see another one on the way, an adult tree. It's hollow underneath, inside. And then because the palm tree is gone, okay? It's been done. Let's keep walking.
Just lay down in the clearing. Sit a lot.
I will explain about 2 or 3 things, okay? First, the hut that you see over there, that little hut that you see over there, what's been protecting are stone, a carving stone. Yes?
Well, then, my grandma, my great grandmother had all
Okay, guys.
Vabbè, comunque dovrebbero mancare un po' di...
I pilani.
Yeah, I know.
Okay guys, so it's about to rain again, and we're gonna I'm gonna have to put the camera away because of that. So hopefully it won't rain long, and then I can check back in. So okay, so we are back on the bus. Well, some of us are back on the bus because we ended up leaving from the ruin like early because we got drenched. When I tell you we are soaking wet, everyone is drenched. Like, it started off just like as a little trickle, so we were all like just kind of standing under the tree, and next thing I know, baby, the heavens opened up and gave us a show. We are drenched and it's cold on this bus. I just want to get back. I just want to get back to the boat so we can get out of these clothes, shower, and get our lives together, because this was very interesting. I feel like
0 out of 10 would not recommend.
Well, yeah, this wasn't the best excursion.
The rooms were cool. I mean, he
Yeah.
was explaining everything. It's just the rain that really got me.
I mean, yeah.
But if you take this excursion, make sure you wear some shoes that you don't care about.
Dante had some Jordans.
Yeah.
His feet are like swimming. I didn't wear no Jordans. Yeah, mine are in the room. But so hopefully we'll be leaving here soon. It's like an hour drive back to the ship. And I'm sorry, I'm just fidgeting because I'm like, I think I got bit by something. It's kind of like a, yeah. So anyway, I'll catch you guys when we get back on the boat.
But you're giving me
Good morning, guys. So today is day 8 aboard the beautiful MSC Seashore. It's like 9 a.m. and I am sitting outside on the balcony. It's a nice, warm, breezy morning. So yesterday, after we rode that hour-long bus ride back to the port, we were so wet and cold from being in the air. By the time we got back to the boat to like shower and change clothes, we were done. We were just done. We literally just was like wiped out. I don't know if you've ever been like soaking wet and had to just sit in it. We were wiped out. So yesterday we just basically stayed in the room. We ate dinner and called it a night. So today we are planning to do nothing. It is the last day at sea. Tomorrow we're back in Miami and we're just planning to do nothing. We're gonna lay by the pool, read some books, and have a few cocktails and just enjoy our last day and rest, because when you get back, of course we all know, when you get back home you get right back into the hustle and bustle of life. And then it'll be our grandson's birthday, so hold one second, let me clear the lens. So with that being said, let me see, I am going to end yesterday and today's vlog. It is super humid, even though it's a breeze, and the camera is like fogging up. So anyway, with that being said, I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye.